Snoring has been around for a long time, and people have tried just about everything to help stop it.
Take it off.
If you're snoring, it's easy to understand how your bed partner can't get a good night's sleep, often causing great frustration and anxiety. Did you know that the person doing the snoring doesn't get a restful sleep either? Snoring is one of the main signs of sleep apnea. People suffering from sleep apnea stop breathing during sleep for as long as 1 minute. These pauses between breaths can interrupt your sleep, causing you to wake up tired, irritable, or even with a headache. Recent studies have shown that sleep apnea is a serious risk to your health. When you stop breathing, your oxygen supply gets lower while your blood pressure gets higher and higher, sometimes doubling. This causes great stress on your heart and lungs. A healthy person during the day can become a serious health risk at night. Snoring and sleep apnea are serious problems for people of all ages. If left untreated, it becomes progressively worse. Heart disease, strokes, obesity, and diabetes are all associated with sleep apnea. In addition, people who don't sleep well are more likely to doze off behind the wheel and get into a serious car accident. 20 million Americans suffer from sleep apnea. It's the most undiagnosed sleep disorder in the country, and maybe the most dangerous. But it is treatable, and dentists are an important part of that treatment. Research has shown that custom-made dental appliances are effective in reducing both snoring and sleep apnea. These dental devices are comfortable to wear, more affordable than most medical devices, and they work. Specially trained dentists and doctors working together can help you control this potentially deadly disorder. We are specially trained to work closely with your doctor or sleep center. We'll help you receive the proper diagnosis, make you a comfortable sleep appliance, and provide you with the best and most up-to-date treatment available. If you snore loudly, think you may have sleep apnea, or know someone who does, see your doctor or dentist. I'm Dr. Lee Wexler, wishing you a good night's sleep.